Are you spending time and money with Facebook ads, but not exactly getting the results that you want? Whether you're a beginner or you're just looking to increase your sales, it can feel really overwhelming to run ads, especially with all the changes in advertising and also privacy rules. But here's the good news. I've learned a lot about Facebook's AI tools and how they're here to simplify everything, so let me show you exactly how to use them. Hi, I'm Ashley. I've built myself a career in customer success. I've run my own service-based business for years, and I've also invested a ton of time and money into mastering marketing strategies so you don't have to. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down 4 powerful strategies to help you get the most out of your Facebook ads. So these are going to include AI-powered tools, creative refresh strategies, as well as leveraging your own data so that you can get the best results. So let's dive in. Before we dive into tools and strategies, let's address why Facebook ads are still one of the best ways for you to grow your business. So despite all the changes in advertising, including Apple's privacy update, Facebook is still a powerhouse for you to be reaching your ideal customers. They have around 3 billion active users, so it just offers unparalleled access to audiences of all types, and the challenge is really just standing out and having those users engage with your ads. And that's where AI comes in. So Facebook has invested heavily into AI-powered tools just to take out the guesswork of running ads so that small business owners can compete with bigger brands. Whether you're trying to generate leads, sell products, or just increase brand awareness, these tools are going to help you do that more effectively. So let's talk about the first tool that's changing the game, which is Advantage Plus. Advantage Plus is Facebook's all-in-one AI tool for ad campaigns. So it's amazing for beginners, and it's really great for any busy entrepreneurs, or really anybody who's looking for better results and not wanting to spend hours tweaking their ads. And here's how it works. So Advantage Plus will use advanced algorithms to analyze billions of little data points to automatically optimize your campaign. So this will be anywhere between handling audience targeting or ad placement, or even the timing of your ads to maximize performance. Let's say you're launching a new online course for business owners, and instead of needing to manually create an audience for like age, interests, or location, Advantage Plus will be able to target people that are already engaging with content and ads in your niche. It will also decide whether your ad is going to perform better as an Instagram story or a Facebook reel or another placement, and will just automatically shift your budget accordingly. This not only saves you time, but it also will increase your chances of getting in front of the right people at the right time. So if you're new to ads, Advantage Plus is a great tool for you to get started without feeling overwhelmed. Next up, let's talk about AI video tools. So this can be a great way for you to start creating engaging ad content. We all know that videos perform better than just static images, but creating videos for ads can feel like a daunting task. And that's where Facebook's AI video tools come in. So these tools can take your static images and turn them into video ads with animations, transitions, and even text overlays. According to reports that I found, videos are able to generate 30% more clicks and 1,200% more shares across social media, more than text and images ever could. And here's the reason. Videos are able to appeal to emotion and storytelling in a way that static images just can't. By using AI tools to create motion-based videos, you're instantly making your ads more relatable and more memorable. For example, let's say you're promoting a new product, you can upload a single image to your new Facebook ad campaign of that product and let Facebook's AI tool add motion graphics to it, like text overlays or zoom ins, just to make it look a lot more dynamic. And you don't need, crazy editing skills or expensive software. This tool is just going to do all the heavy lifting for you. Now let's talk about data, specifically first-party data, and why it's most important than ever. So with privacy changes like Apple's iOS updates, third-party tracking has become a lot less effective. So this means that businesses actually need to rely a lot more on the direct information that they're receiving from their audience, like their email addresses or web traffic and purchase history. First-party data allows you to create more effective and personalized ad campaigns. So for example, let's say somebody's on your website and they add something to cart, but they don't buy it yet. So you can use that activity to retarget them with like a free shipping discount or an exclusive offer of some form to then purchase your product. So this makes your ads just a lot more relevant and also will increase the likelihood of them converting. To make the most out of your first-party data, you want to start collecting those emails and growing your email list, of course, but then you can also use tools like the Facebook Pixel and add that to your website and your landing pages. And this just allows you to track user behavior and even create custom audiences for retargeting. Let's move on to a strategy that can make or break your ad performance, which is creative refreshing. Ad fatigue is just when your audience has seen the same ad too many times, and so engagements just drop dropping off. And to avoid this, you just want to make sure that you're regularly updating your creatives in your ad. So you can do this every 7 to 10 days during a campaign, but of course, this depends on how well your ad's already doing. So here's the good news though, you don't actually have to reinvent the wheel every single time. You can just make some small tweaks and those can go a long way too. So for example, you can just change out the headline or change your call to action. You can also swap out the image or add in like a new design element of some form, or you can even experiment with different formats. So for example, let's say you have a carousel and then you want to switch over to a video. When refreshing your ads, you can also use A and B testing, which allows you to see which of your creatives are actually doing the best. For example, if you wanted to test out 2 different headlines, you could see which one resonates better with your audience. This approach allows you to stop guessing and make some more data-driven decisions to maximize your engagement. For example, let's say you're running an ad for a coaching program, and the first week you're going to have a video testimonial of one of your most satisfied clients. The next week or 10 days later or whatnot, you could have a carousel highlighting all of the key benefits of your program. Something like this can definitely help your audience stay a lot more engaged with your ads and can also help prevent your ad from blending into the background. Now that we've got the strategies covered, let's talk about how we're actually going to be putting these into action. So start off with thinking about some goals for your campaign. Are you trying to generate leads? Are you trying to make sales? Are you trying to increase your brand awareness? Once you have that goal, I want you to then lean on Advantage Plus in Facebook to automate the targeting and the placements of your ad. Next, you're going to create engaging video content using AI tools to make your ad stand out. And just remember to always use your first-party data so that you can create custom audiences and retarget to potential customers with relevant offers. Finally, you're refreshing your content every 7 to 10 days or so you can keep your audience engaged and excited about what you're offering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips like these. You can also grab my free audience attraction blueprint in the description below. It's a free guide to help you grow your email list. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're excited to try first, and I'll see you in the next video.